Immediately, Jesus made the disciples get into the boat and go on ahead of him to the other side, while he dismissed the crowd. After he had dismissed them, he went up on a mountainside by himself to pray. When evening came, he was there alone. But the boat was already a considerable distance from land, buffeted by the waves because the wind was against it. During the fourth watch of the night, Jesus went out to them, walking on the lake. When the disciples saw him walking on the lake, they were terrified. It's a ghost! They said, and cried out in fear. Jesus immediately said to them,
"Take courage, it is I! Don't be afraid!" Lord! If it is you,
Peter replied,
tell me to come to you on the water! Come!
he said. Then Peter got down out of the boat, walked on the water, and came toward Jesus. But when he saw the wind, he was afraid.
Ah!
And beginning to sink, cried out,
Lord, save me!
Immediately Jesus reached out his hand and caught him.
Oh, you have little faith!
He said.
Why did you doubt?
And when they climbed into the boat, the wind died down. And those who were in the boat worshipped him, saying,
Truly, you are the Son of God.
When they had crossed over, they landed at Gennesaret. And when the men of that place recognized Jesus, they sent word to all the surrounding country. People brought all their sick to him and begged him to let the sick just touch the edge of his cloak. And all who touched him were healed.